Hello everyone. In this video, I will share a continuation of the gradient tutorial. If previously we discussed linear gradient, now we continue with the radial gradient. Prepare the gradient box. If it is not available, you can take it through the window. Gradient. Next, Selection. And click. Change to a radial gradient. Click this to swap the color position. Double-click and change color. And I will add a new color. Double-click again. I added a slightly darker color. Click the gradient tool for manual settings. Set the white color on top. Enlarge scale. And adjust. Okay. If you like this video, don't forget to click like, so YouTube will recommend this video to other friends. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell to get the latest video updates from this channel. Thank you.